Oh, nice. Stop zebra mussels. Clean, drain, and dry your boat. It's the law. Wow. Sunrise. That is beautiful, y'all. Good morning. Make a little cast up in here. Let's turn this so we don't go into the trees. This is what I'm throwing. I'm on a bass. I'm on a decent little bass since the bite's so hard. I went finesse full. Got to play it out because I'm on a crappie rig still. Oh, nice. That's a quality bass. Wow. Let's bring him in. For what I'm fishing with, that's wild, y'all. When the bite gets tough, you go to these little finesse stuff and you'll still get bit. David and I cannot catch a fish, and we've been throwing everything at them. It's like, y'all see the sky, clear blue sky, high pressure. We've had cold fronts, but look, we finally got him to bite on this. Let me show it to you. Very small. It's a 1 micro finesse jig head and a Z-Man dark and stormy. All right, let's let him go. Do what you do. We're on, y'all. Got one. All right, but we figured it out. What you do? Go do what you do, buddy. Y'all. So on a tough day, I'll put on a like a 3/0 or a 4/0 trocar hook, eagle claw, a bullet weight. So my buddy Tom made this one. He didn't make it, but he painted it. Pretty awesome. And what I'm putting on there, Texas rig, is Zoom motor oil with chartreuse, and it's a U-tail. It's just a worm, a regular old worm, but on bright days I use bright colors, and on dark days I use dark colors, because the dark colors help silhouette down deep, and the bright colors for some reason work better on bright days. And I learned that from a fishing pro. So here you go. These are working. That's not a pattern yet, but it's a bite that's extremely hard. You see how calm it is? When it's calm like this and high barometric pressure, it's a tough bite. But this is getting the job done. And also that little Z-Man that I showed y'all. I don't know if I showed you. This one, here's the package. Dark and stormy. This is getting it done with finesse. Very lightweight, micro finesse stuff. All right. Whoa. Finesse fishing. Finding them though. Do what you do. David and I are on our way back. Caught some fish. Can't complain. All right, but look at this view. What? Jet skiers are doing their thing over here. Kind of cool. Ooh, some fish down there. Bass boat. What's up? Yeah. It's a nice kayak David has. That's a Hobie. I think it's the Outback, I want to say. Oh, compass. It always points true north and towards the fish. Born on the bayou. Until next time, do what you do. I'll see y'all later.